Gardening tips for December? Absolutely! Coming up next. Well, hi, I'm Wendy from the mountainfarmhouse.com. Welcome to my channel. And today we're going to talk about gardening tips for the month of December. I know it seems like maybe it's not a conducive time to do any kind of gardening, but there still are things you can do to help your garden even when it's snowy like this. And here is a view of some of the gardens in December. We just got a couple of feet of snow. It is melting, but as you can see, I can't really get to very much. And I do have a few herbs and some lettuce plants under cloches, and I've got some spinach plants and my Brussels sprouts and some kale still out in the beds, but I don't know how well they're going to bear up under all of this. But I just wanted to give you a glimpse of our wintertime. So that's it. Gardening tips for December. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for visiting the Mountain Farmhouse. Come back and visit again soon. Bye for now.